Introduction to computer. Computers are machines that perform tasks or calculations according to a set of instructions. The computer is an electronic device that accepts, that is, reads data from the input device, processes the data by performing calculations and operations on it as per instructions, generates, that is, writes the desired output results onto the specified output devices. Nowadays, computers are an important part of our lives. The term computer is derived from the Latin word computere, which means to compute or to calculate. It was originally invented to make calculations quickly and precisely. Major components of computer. The major components of a computer are Central Processing Unit CPU, Memory Unit, Input Unit, Output Unit, Central Processing Unit CPU. The CPU is the heart of the computer. This unit actually executes instructions. The major sections of CPU are Control Unit CU, Arithmetic Logic Unit ALU. Control Unit CU controls the operations that takes place in various parts of a computer by sending electronic signals. Arithmetic and Logical Unit ALU, it performs all arithmetic and logical operation for program execution. Memory Unit. Memory is a device that stores computer's data and programs. The two types of memory are primary memory, that is internal, secondary memory, that is external. Input Unit. This unit is used to give data to the computer by the user. Keyboard, mouse, light pen, joystick, touchscreen, or few input devices. Output Unit. This unit is used to display result generated by the computer. Monitor, printer, speaker, or a few direct output devices. History of computers. During the 20th century, at the initial stage, calculations were done by mechanical computing devices. Abacus was the first mechanical computing device introduced by the Chinese. It is a manual calculating device used for addition and subtraction. Napier's bones were the next device for multiplication by an English mathematician, John Napier, in the 16th century. It performs operations like multiplication, division, extracting square roots, and diagonal modification. Slide rule was developed by an English mathematician, Edmund Gunter, in the 16th century. It could perform operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. In 1673, Leibniz's multiplication and dividing machine were introduced, which could do both multiplication and division. punch card system was developed in 1801 by Jacquard. Then, analytical machine was developed by Charles Babbage that was intended to be completely automatic. The computer has evolved from large-sized, that is occupying the big room, simple calculating machine to smaller, that is palm-sized but more powerful machines capable of doing highly complex calculations. The evolution of computers to the current state is defined in terms of generation of computers. The generation is described as a stage of technological development or innovation. The technological development in the field of computers not only refers to the improvements made to the hardware technologies, but also the improvements made to the software technologies. There are typically 5 generations of computers based on the technology used.